Understanding the phrase, in the wind. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, in the wind. This is a fascinating phrase that adds a poetic touch to the English language. So, let's dive in and discover its nuances together. In the wind literally refers to something being carried or dispersed by the wind. Imagine leaves swirling in the air or a scent carried on a breeze. This literal meaning forms the basis for its more figurative uses in English. When we say something is in the wind, we're often speaking figuratively. This means 1. Uncertainty or unpredictability. Just like the wind's direction, something that's in the wind is not certain or predictable. 2. Rumors or information spreading. Information that spreads quickly and widely, much like how the wind disperses seeds or scents. Let's look at some examples to understand better. 1. Uncertainty. There's a feeling of change in the wind. We might see some big developments soon. 2. Rumors spreading. I heard about the company merger in the wind. Is it true? The phrase is often used in literature and music to evoke a sense of something ephemeral or transient. It's a favorite among poets and songwriters for its evocative imagery. Be careful not to confuse in the wind with similar phrases like wind up or against the wind. Each of these has a different meaning and usage. And that's a wrap on the phrase, in the wind. I hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Remember, English is full of such picturesque phrases that make it a rich and vibrant language. Keep exploring and happy learning!